Hello and welcome to our channel.
On Wednesday afternoon, Governor Walz announced a statewide stay-at-home order for Minnesota, effective Friday night at midnight.
My friend Josh called me and decided that if we were going to go down and look at a bus for him to buy, now was probably going to be the last time we had to do it before
Friday night.
Before who knows when. Nancy and I had also decided that if we were going to have to stay at home, this is where we wanted to be.
Yeah, there's a lot to be done here. I'd much rather be here than just stuck at home.
Yeah, stuck in there.
Sitting on the couch watching Netflix.
Yeah, house you're renting, so it's not like you have anything to really do at it.
Yeah,
So.
no, not at all.
So we decided that we are going to stay at the bus for the next 2 weeks.
So we'll be eating here and sleeping here, and hopefully we'll be able to use some of our appliances. Hopefully we'll have our kitchen floor down, and by the time this is all done, it'd be nice if the whole front of the bus was...
It seems like the only thing more contagious right now than the coronavirus is buying a bus. Josh and I on our way down to Arkansas to buy another bus because Josh decided that my bus was too cool and he needed one himself. The governor is shutting down Minnesota in about 36 hours, so we're doing is seeing if we can get down there and get back before the shutdown. It's going to be close. It's not like they're going to close the roads, but we're going to try to get back by midnight Friday. It's about noon on Thursday right now. Wish me luck. I'll document the journey. Stop number 1, social distancing. Those bushes looked way better than any gas station. Let's get back on the road. It's 2:45 in the morning. Josh is up inside the bus checking everything out. We just got here about 5 minutes ago. We're gonna try to get a few hours of sleep. I'm sure Bob will be waking us up at about 8 o'clock in the morning when he gets here, but we're here. We're in Marion, Arkansas, and yeah, let's check this bus out. It's 3:45. We've spent the last hour looking over the bus. There's definitely some issues on it, but that's what you expect from a 18-year-old vehicle. So we're going to talk over the problems, see what we think, and yeah, we'll decide in the morning whether Josh is going to buy this bus or not. We got some thinking to do. He has some thinking to do. I've done all my thinking. I'll just try to help him as much as I can. But either way, it's 3:45. I'm about ready for bed. See you in the morning. Josh decided against the blue bus. He decided he wants to spend a little bit more, get a little bit nicer bus. There are a lot of buses to choose from here. Just none of them that are in the perfect bus for Josh isn't here right now. So we're gonna get on the road, try to get back to Minnesota, see if we can make it back before the midnight deadline. And we better get on the road. It's 8:22 right now. We're at a social distancing spot like maybe 7, 8. Stopping, finding some woods, looking for some deer sheds, stretching our legs and using the bathroom has been so much more enjoyable than rest stops and gas stations. Normally I stop at gas stations, use the bathroom, buy a soda or some junk food and go. This is so much better. I'm kind of enjoying this social distancing. I've gone into 2 gas stations, Josh has gone into 1 gas station. Other than that, we have, other than Bob Tucker, we've talked to nobody, we've touched nobody, we've seen nobody, just the 2 of us. And it's been quite a bit of fun. Yeah, extremely romantic. Exactly what I was looking for. After Josh and I had looked at the buses down at Bob's, the bus that Josh was looking at was a little under $10,000 and still a lot of bus for the money, but it needed a little bit of work. And the biggest thing is that it was a 99 that had single pane windows. Where these, well, 2 of them have been replaced, 2 are single pane. The rest of the windows on this bus are double pane. And when it's cold, those 2 windows are frosty and the rest are fine.
You definitely notice.
Yeah, and one of ours is going to be behind the fridge, and we're going to wall off that other one, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. I don't know if I'm going to buy a double pane or...
If we just see how it goes, it's 1 window in the whole bus.
We don't plan on spending a whole lot of time in the cold. Josh wants to use his to go snowmobiling. So the single pane windows and need a little bit more work than he really wanted to put into it, but the single pane windows were really the deal breaker. Yeah. And the newer buses with the double pane windows, double in price, at least. So we ended up coming home from Arkansas empty-handed. It did make the drive home faster. We got home about 10:15 or so. A lot easier driving a Lexus across the country than a Lexus chasing a bus across the country.
And very quiet roads.
Very quiet roads. There was nobody on the roads. Just set the cruise at like 6, 7 over and just cruised. Worked really well. Quarantine bus day 1. Nancy's unpacking back behind me. I think we have all our stuff here. Got here a little bit late today, but We plan on spending the next 2 weeks here. It's raining quite a bit outside, but that's whatever.
It's supposed to snow tonight too.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow tonight. That'll be a lot quieter than this rain. And yeah, we're spending 2 weeks here. We're gonna sleep here. We're gonna stay here. It's just gonna be work on the bus and sleep. And that's pretty much all we have planned. Oh, and vlog it. We'll daily vlog this. I should probably help her unpack. I'll get to it. I was curious to what this aluminum roof sounded like in the rain. I now know. Good thing I like listening to the rain on a metal roof. We're trying out our new convection microwave, seeing how it works. We're having tostados for dinner tonight. This is the first time we've ever cooked on the bus, and it's kind of exciting.
Oh shit.
What?
I definitely did not wear the right shoes. Did you grow something?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's gross.
I know. I don't think one rag is enough for one of these.
Ugh. I really hoped, since it's almost April, we'd be done with this. Good thing it'll be 50 tomorrow. Or so it says.
And wouldn't you know it, the first night we spent on the bus, it has to snow.
Of course.
And we're not just talking little flurry snowflakes. It rained all day and then decided to turn into snow. And when we woke up in the morning, I think there were probably 3 inches of snow on the ground.
Yeah, wet, heavy snow.
Yep. And of course, that meant all night long, snow plows.
Yeah.
All night long.
Up and down 169 like every 20 minutes.
And I think there was a lot of looping going on, because where we are here, it's like from the highway, and then you come back down the frontage road, and then you can get on the highway and come back. And there were a lot of snow plows that seemed that went by on the frontage road.
More than we seemed like we needed for the snow we got.
Yeah, well, and especially considering how few people are on the roads right now,
But
which is great for them.
if we're going to live on a bus, we're going to have to get used to different noises in different places at different times. And
Yes, we are.
a little bit of that is us. It was also kind of chilly on the bus. We had the air mattress on the floor of the bus, and
That was a mistake.
yeah, from below it was just too cold.
Well, and yeah, because we don't have it's not insulated from underneath yet, because, you know, we're still in the early stages of
Yeah.
rebuilding. So we don't have that under the phase insulated.
And what's kind of silly is I have pink styrofoam insulation in the clubhouse. I could have put underneath the mattress, and
Yeah,
I think tonight we're going to be a lot warmer.
Yeah, I think so. I think that'll make a difference. And we're going to plastic off a smaller area of the bus
Yeah, the
to
space
keep
heater.
our heat in.
Yeah, I think that'll help too.
And it's supposed to be warmer during the day today, tomorrow. And then like night times are going to get warmer. So hopefully,
Yeah, warmer. It's
Yeah.
we're up to 33 at night.
hey, that's warmer. That's we're going somewhere. When it's 33 at night, we're going somewhere. That's a good thing. It's much better than the teens.
Yeah. I hope you like this video. We're going to daily or almost daily vlog for at least the next 2 weeks while we're working on the bus, living on the bus, eating on the bus, sleeping on the bus. Yeah, we're going to have some time on the bus, and I think we're going to daily vlog it, at least attempt to.
Yeah, if one of us goes missing,
It'll be me.
well, there's that wetland behind us.
Yeah, it's still frozen enough. You can't bury me yet. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that Jake break. I'm glad this bus has a Jake brake. That's such a cool sound.
Where is it even?
It's coming up from the north.
I know, but oh, there it is.
I gotta get some straight pipes on this bus so we can really
So you
sound
can
like
do
that.
that?
Yeah. We have the
Yeah,
Jake
that
brake.
would
Our Jake
never-
brake's only about a fraction of that loud.
That would never get the police's attention. They would never say.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know.
Save my
I don't
brake
know what they
pads.
would say.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And until next time, peace.
Bye.
Those gloves don't like to let you hang on.
No,
to it, do
no,
they?
not at all. It's more slippery between the glove than it is between the thing and the metal. But I think we're good to go.